everyone, and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In this week's video, I'll be showing you all about the KW Heritage folder, the types of designs we have in there, where to find it, and more. If you are not a KW Heritage agent, make sure to check out the last few videos we created on this channel. We walk you through how to create your KW Canva account, how to access the brand templates from International, how to add the MLS integration, and more. We're going to start off on your KW Canva account. If you don't already have your Canva account through KW set up, make sure to watch our first video in this Canva series where we walk you through how to create that KW Canva account. We're going to navigate over to projects. Once you get into projects, you can see your recent section, and then right below that, you're going to see our folders. Now, as explained in the last video, you're going to see a bunch of folders from all over the world. These are different KW brokerages that have chosen to share their designs with all of KW International. But again, all you really need to focus on in this one section is the brokerage folder that your brokerage has shared with you and any folders that you have created. Now for our KW Heritage agents, this is going to be the folder here. It's titled KW Heritage. Highly recommend that you star this folder. When you star a folder, you're able to see them on the left-hand side in this hamburger menu. You can see all of your starred folders. We're going to click on this folder. And as of right now, it's only been a few weeks since we've launched with KW Canva. We are still working on getting all of our designs over, but in the future, this will be where all of our Canva designs live. Our marketing director has been adding these in daily. And as you can see, we have 16 items in our social media graphics, 12 in the print templates, and 14 in logos. In our social media graphics, you're going to see quite a few that our marketing director has created. Again, these are constantly going to be added to. Inside of our print templates, these are the ones that you can order through our print shop and have them printed on our commercial grade printer here in the office. These are specifically formatted for our printer. If you have any questions, just reach out to our marketing director and she can help you out. And we also have our logos here, both our main office, Heritage, and our satellite offices, Seguin, Lake McQueeney, Hill Country, New Braunfels, and Canyon Lake. You can also search this folder. When I type in Halloween, you're going to see all of our Halloween templates. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.